Okay, we're getting ready to install the AEM air intake system for the 2020 Forte GT. Alright, so first thing in the instruction list is to disconnect the battery. Don't know why it has to disconnect the battery, because we're not touching any sensors, but I guess we'll follow instructions and follow along. So it's right here. So you do is just lift it up, comes off. That easy. Let's get it. I think that's an 8 or it's either a 7, 8, or a 10. I don't know. We'll find out. Alright, with that out of the way, we need to take the cover off, and then we'll remove this hose. We're gonna remove this hose as well. That's actually quite oily. It's raining. So Le Wife finally joins. We are removing the pins over here. Take this out, but we're gonna take the bolts that remove the lower air box out of here. But it's not in there. They're not there. They're down there.
Okay, yeah, I can see them.
Down there.
It says 8.
There's
So
this
they're
one,
8.
and then there's that one. So come on, you can do it.
There we go.
So now we gotta grab that and cut it to length as per instructions. Alright, so now we gotta put the weather stripping on this. Alright, so now we're going to take this and put it right over there. So we take the hex bolt, put a lock washer, the normal washer, and then we're going to put it right there. This nut goes on the studded mount. We grab the coupler, put the hose clamps over it, and then slip it onto the turbo intake. Intake tube comes next. Okay, so now we're going to install the dry flow AEM filter. My kit for some reason came with a missing hose clamp. So what I did was I reused the stock clamp on the turbo side. Okay, so now we're going to prep the cover. So we got to put the weather stripping on it. So we're going to put it from that edge all the way to the top. Alright, put it on top and line up the holes. After trying to put this thing on here, I realized that none of the holes actually lined up, and not even the plastic trim bits. So did a little bit of manhandling to some of the corners, got it to fit, and now it should bolt right up. And I have a little special treat for this. Done.
do set.